my kings and queens, welcome back for another hair video. So today we're going to be installing some mini twists. Y'all know I love me some twists, okay? But today it's going to be mini twists. To install my twist, I'm using Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, hair foam, my water, some finishing oil. So let's dive into the video. So my hair has already been sectioned off. I am now applying some Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and then I'm going to spray some water on my hair just to ensure that my hair is moisturized. So when doing mini twists, you want to ensure that your hair is moisturized because you're going to be keeping the style in for a long period of time. So I usually keep my mini twists in for about 4 weeks, which is a month. And I must say, y'all, twists in general has been a key component in my natural hair journey. Like, my hair just transformed with twists. Reason being is because with twists, you don't manipulate your hair as much, and twists, whether it's chunky twists, mini twists, medium twists, they are a great protective style. Anyway, so I'm just sectioning my hair off, and I am just repeating this step all over my entire head. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I plan to keep my mini twists in for about a month. And in order for me to keep them in for that long, my plan is to keep them moisturized and to make sure that my hair is covered with a satin bonnet. Mini twists can become a bit faggy, or it can become a bit matted at the root. So when I am twisting my hair, y'all, that's my husband giving me a little smoosh. So when I'm twisting my hair, I'm trying to ensure that my twists are a bit tight at the root, like not tight to where your hair or your scalp or your head is hurting, but tight enough to ensure that the style will last. So yeah, guys, I basically repeated the same process for my entire head. Oh, this style took me, take a guess. Y'all don't want to know how long this took me. This style took me 8 hours. Y'all, I sat down 8 hours. I started at about 9:30 and I finished about 9:10, about 5:30. So this style took me quite some time. So I am definitely keeping this in for a month, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna put on some music. I'm gonna jam out and let you guys watch me mini twist my hair. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of this video. Let me know if you're doing your mini twist for the summer, because y'all know summer is mini twist season, okay? Period. Like, you have to wear mini twists this summer. Anyway, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at BahamAvanaRN. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Love y'all.